like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, Mr.III here. So I just restored these headlights with the Sylvania kit. Look pretty nice, but one problem. Well, according to instructions, it was a little confusing. I'm no expert here. But when applying the clear coat, it said left to right, top to bottom. And it seemed like to put a coat on top of another coat. But then it says do not overlap, which didn't make sense. And it says keep adding more. Well, if you look close enough, you can see drip lines of the clear coat.
Or it kind of looks like I took a pancake and smeared syrup up and down the headlight. So the only way to fix this is to repeat all the sanding. Yeah. Which can be seen on the first video. Plus, if you haven't noticed, I was wearing a different shirt at the end of the video, showing the correct application. Both being blue, trying to trick you guys. But anyway, we got the job done. It looks nice, crystal clear. And as usual, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.